I'm gonna show you how to make the best air fryer chicken wings. Hey salam, I hope you guys are well. Al Chef is back for another video, and this time I'm making air fryer chicken wings. These chicken wings are gonna be so flavorful. I'm also gonna serve the wings with 2 different sauces. Trust me, you're really gonna enjoy it. Without further ado, let's get started. Al Chef presents. First, we're gonna start with the spice mix for the chicken wings. Here with the paprika, good touch of that. I'm also gonna use some of the smoked paprika for deeper color and smoky flavor. Here with the red chili powder, you can use more or less depending on how you like it. For extra heat, I like to use a bit of the cayenne pepper as well. You could also use a bit of the chipotle chili powder in there. Now we're going to flavor this with garlic powder. How can we forget some of the onion powder? Now to add a bit of citrusy note, we're gonna use a bit of the coriander powder. Take things to the next level, use a bit of ground cumin to add a bit of earthiness. Some of this chicken seasoning, some freshly cracked black pepper. I'm using here some of the MSG. If you don't want to use MSG, you could use mushroom powder. To add a bit of sweetness, a bit of caramelization, I'm using here brown sugar. Now to add a bit of aroma and to really complement that smokiness, I'm using oregano. And finally, we're going in with the salt. Now you want to give this a really good mix. Alright, that looks great, just set aside for later use. We're gonna serve the chicken wings with this smoky, tangy barbecue mayo sauce. Here I've got some of the mayonnaise. I'm gonna throw in some of the barbecue, a little bit of the hot sauce. You can use Tabasco, anything that you really like. To add a bit of tanginess, a bit of fruity flavor, I'm using here chamoy sauce, some of the pickle juice, soy sauce. Now give this a really good mix and adjust anything if you need to. That is so delicious. Our mouth-watering, tangy, smoky barbecue mayo sauce, done. Now for the wings, I'm using here both the wingette and drumette. Using around 1.5 kilogram of wings. First, I'm just gonna spread them out on this board. Now we want them nice and crispy, so the moisture is a killer here. Using a kitchen paper, you want to dry them out completely. Make sure to turn them around and do the same from the other side. Now here's another pro tip. You can remove all the small hairs from the wings using a blowtorch. They don't look very pleasing when you're eating them. Now remove all the wings back into the bowl. Now we're going to use some of the baking powder to make the skin nice and crispy. Now using your hands, you want to give this a really good mix. Now you want to leave this aside for at least 15 minutes and then we're going to season it. Or after 15 minutes or so, we're going to add a good touch of oil. Around 2 to 3 tablespoons should be enough. Give that a really good mix. Alright, so that's perfectly coated. Now I'm going to start placing the wings on the air fryer tray, skin side down first. And now let's season it. Generous amount of seasoning goes on the top. Don't be shy. Do it from the top so we cover all areas, alright? Now give them a little tap and turn them around. And I'll season it from this side as well. Honestly, one of the best air fried chicken wings that you guys gonna try. It's gonna be so delicious, packed with so much flavor. And again, just give this a little tap. Now you want to grab your air fryer and preheat to 195 Celsius for around 5 minutes. So once the air fryer has been preheated, we're gonna throw in the wings. And now we're gonna let this cook at 195 Celsius for around 20 minutes. You wanna flip them halfway. Alright, like I said before, just turn them around halfway. They're looking absolutely delicious, look at that. Let's turn these around. And I'll just close the lid and carry on cooking. Alright, so the wings have stopped cooking, but we're not done yet. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna raise the temperature to around 205 Celsius. And we're gonna let this cook for another 7 to 8 minutes, alright? It will just make them a bit more crispier. So our air fryer chicken wings are done now. They look absolutely delicious. Add a little bit more seasoning. Alright, let's plate up our air fryer chicken wings now. Oh, these air fryer chicken wings looks absolutely amazing. Trust me, you guys gonna really enjoy with your family and friends. Serving it with some of the garlic mayonnaise and of course our tangy and smoky barbecue mayo sauce. Our mouth-watering air fryer chicken wings done. Alright guys, I'm gonna try these wings, they look so delicious. Let's try the wingette first. I'm just gonna try it without the sauce first. Bismillah, look at those. They look absolutely delicious. Bismillah. Wow. These are packed with so much flavor. Has a really nice kick to it, a little bit of sweetness. Let's try with some of our sauce now. Wow, those are just amazing. Again, the wings go perfectly with the sauce, you know, it's so flavorful. Really nice umami flavor. The skin is nice and crispy, it's not too moist. And the wings are nice and juicy from inside, you know. Like I said before, one of the best chicken wings that you guys gonna try. These air fried chicken wings are definitely gonna surprise you. I really hope you guys will enjoy these air fryer chicken wings with your family and friends. Please do me a favor and get this video to 5,000 likes. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe, make sure like, inshallah see you next time. Until then, salam, make for your mama, make for your dad, make for your family. Enjoy. Perfect.